Pankaj Welfare Society established Pankaj Spastic Center on September 16, 2006 at Vrindavan, Divine Land of Lord Krishna by Sri K.C. Sharma, with a commitment to improve the lives of disadvantaged, underprivileged, special children who are physically, intellectually challenged. Some of them have multiple disability too. Our special school is situated at Parikrama Marg, opposite to Shriji Bagicha, Vrindavan, Mathura, Uttar Pradesh, registered under Societies Registration Act 1860. We work with a range of professionals to improve the quality of life of children with various kinds of disabilities at grassroots level. We also try to follow the community-based rehabilitation matrix defined in WHO 2011 guidelines as health, education, livelihood, social, and empowerment. Addressing to the health problems by way of conducting medical camps time to time and following it up according to the needs of the children, we do conduct counseling programs to the guardians and attendants too. We also try to rehabilitate elder children by helping them in searching livelihood for themselves, empowering them in forming groups and small organizations for disabled. Beginning from the catering to the daily needs of the special children, we take them along, making them self-dependent, confident, strong, and tolerant. We try to build competitive spirit and make them participate in number of sports especially designed for these special children. We are often thus invited by organizations to participate in the Special Olympics for Asia Pacific region, Australia. Our main aim is to make disabled mentally, physically, emotionally, and socially healthy as well as educationally and economically useful in their future life. Finally, we desire to do more and more addressing to this cause, which is alarmingly on rise every year by way of preventions of such births and methods of cure. To achieve these heights, we certainly need the cooperation and advice of government, public organizations, national and international organizations, individuals and professionals. Millions of disabled children of all categories are waiting to be addressed by all of us around the world. Thank you.